Today we are going to learn how to use the mouse and some basic settings. Okay, let's pick the file. Before we draw some, previously we draw some part. Now let's pick that. Start mechanical design. So if we want to create new thing, we have to choose this one, but we are going to choose already we have done some part. So now we want to open that file. So go to file, open part. This is the part we have done previous class. So today we are going to learn how to use the mouse. It is very important. Initially they will suffer how to use the mouse, how to rotate the sketch and how to rotate the model. So mostly they doesn't practice how to use the mouse. So today in this class we will learn how to use the mouse. It is in isometric view. Okay, so now it is in isometric view. Now I want to zoom in, zoom out. Okay, click middle button, just give one right click. See my cursor here. Now I'm pressing middle button, it's plus symbol. Now I'm giving hold on middle button and click one right click. Now you can observe there the symbol is changed. Now move the mouse up and down. Okay, if you move the mouse up, the model will be zoom. If you move the mouse downside, it will be zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, we learned zoom in, zoom out. Now we want to rotate. This is the part I am rotating. Okay, how we can rotate? Click the middle button, hold it, and click the right button. Hold it continuously. Okay, we can rotate here. Zoom in, zoom out, and we are rotating here. Okay, this is a small model. So here we can rotating. Here we are rotating easily. For example, we want to rotate a huge component, big assembly. In that big assembly, we want to rotate a small part like this cylinder. So then, how we can rotate? So first of all, select that part. Again, click the middle button, scrolling button, and right click button. Click there. So it will be highlighted. Whatever we selected, only that part will be rotated in this circle. Okay, don't forget this. Now I selected that cylinder, so it's rotating there. Now see, I'm clicking escape. Now again I'm holding middle button and right click button. Now it is complete object rotating. So whenever it comes main big assembly, again I will explain the difference between this. Okay, keep this point in mind. Okay, we learn zoom in, zoom out, and rotate. Now one more option is pan, moving the object without rotating. This is the pan. Okay, simple. Hold the scrolling button and move the mouse wherever you want to move the object. That is pan. If you want to rotate the object, press the scrolling button, hold it, and just click once right click. Now we can zoom in and zoom out. This is the second option. If you want to rotate the part, then hold the right click also. this is the rotating. Mainly we use 3 operations with the mouse: pan, zoom in, zoom out, and rotating. Okay. Start mechanism, part design. Okay, click any plane, click on sketcher. See here, this is the profile toolbar. We use these commands to sketch the element, any element. If you want to draw any part or model, you need first of all sketcher to sketch the part. We need these elements. Okay, that is profile toolbar. And this is the constraint toolbar. Hold the shift and give the left click. The toolbar will be changed vertical to horizontal, horizontal to vertical. Okay, I mean its orientation will be changed. Now see here, we can observe name clearly, constraints. This toolbar has commands to apply constraints. Okay, this is a constraint command. With this constraint toolbar, we use constraint commands. What is the use of constraint? The sketcher will be constrained. I mean, there is no movement. We will constrain in two directions, that is x, y, or y, z. Any two directions we can constrain in sketcher. We can explain in further class clearly what is constraint means. So it is also important whenever we draw the complete model. It is must and should we have to constrain that sketch completely. In this CATIA, when we constrain the sketch completely, it appears from white color to green color. Remember that it should be present with green color, then only it is constrained. It is very, very important that constraining the sketch. Okay, this is the profile toolbar. In this commands is used to draw a sketch. Without profile we cannot draw a sketch. That is importance of profile toolbar. Here it is constraint. This constraint toolbar is used to arrange the movement of sketch from the origin or something plane. In this CATIA, before exiting workbench, we have to constrain that sketch completely. Okay, without constraining means we can get some errors. Definitely we have to constrain. I will explain in further class. This is operation. With the help of profile toolbar, we cannot give complete accuracy of the model. We use operations also. Okay, for example, we draw some rectangle shape. Here we draw some rectangle shape. Now with the help of profile we did this sketch. Now I want some line here. I want to eliminate this all, so I will use chamfer. That's it. See here, this is the operation. For example, if I don't have this chamfer option, let's see what should I have to do. I want to draw one line from here to here. Even though now I want to erase that, so that I use this quick trim. Sorry. See, this is the way. So here it is an option, which is nothing but shortcut to do this operation. Like with the help of these operations, the procedure is become easier. That is the importance of operation. Okay, with these three toolbars, with the help of these three toolbars only, we can draw any sketch. Okay, tool options. Here it is important, this whenever you go for interview, they will change some parameters. Here see options, in options general, parameters and measurements. Here they change units. From here we can see here length, angle. Okay, here is the length, its units is mm. Now I want to change from mm to inches, so here click this drop down bar, select inches. See, the options changed. Here it is degree, here radians. Like you can change these units and dimensions. That is very, very important when you go for interview. In my first interview I faced a problem, so that's why I'm explaining. Whenever you start your CATIA, open the CATIA interface, first of all you have to check which the interface is in which mode. It is in millimeters or in inches, it is in degrees or radians. Okay, some companies use in inches, some companies use in mm only. Aerospace industries, they use inches because the products are huge length, huge dimensions will be there, so for easily understanding they use inches. Some small scale industries or some manufacturing companies, they use mm, millimeters. So wherever, whatever may be, it is important to keep the point. Okay, thanks for watching CAD Tech Tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.